say, Kiki, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? I say, Jada, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? I say, Becca, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? She know I could give it to her easy. I need a Kiki, I need a CC. Don't want no good girl, I need a free. And she know I'ma take a for a tour from Paris straight to Bali. I'm ballin', I'm really ballin'. The money calling, it's really calling. The money calling, it's really calling. And I never ever put that shit on hold. And I'm really in this race, I need to go. You don't wanna try me, I had a bad day. Bring it to me, mommy, it's like a mile way. I could turn your bad day into a good day. I could make your Monday feel like a Friday. I just need to know that you're really with me. Every time I leave, tell me that you miss me. Yeah. I say, Kiki, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? I say, Jada, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? I say, Becca, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me?
I say, Kiki, are you with me? It doesn't matter, I know you need me. I call you back even when I'm busy. I stay fast, I ain't never tweaky. Baby, you know that I need some more. Open when you.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lika. I am back again with another video. Okay, so this is a Saturday. I just decided I needed some air, and this is the 14 hours cruise. So they at Kafue River Cliff there are two cruises. So there's a 14 hours one, that's 2 p.m, and there's one for 16 hours, that is 4 p.m. So they are all both 180 for adults. I don't know about kids, but I think it's 100 kwacha for kids. Yeah. So on this cruise, you can actually get food from their restaurant, and then they like bring it to you, or you can get beers from their bar that's on board. But with us, we brought our own, and we paid like 20 kwacha corkage. So that is the waterworks that you're seeing up there. And today we're not going the direction to the Kafue bridge. We're actually going on this other side. I've really never been this other side, like with this boat. I've just been this side with a speedboat, and it wasn't like I felt to fume. So I've been hearing that this is where this direction we're going to today. This is where Garry Nkombo's house is. So yeah, people that live off the grid. So this is where his house is. So just watch the video and enjoy the music.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers.
That place is actually Garry Nkombo's place. Man, it looks so amazing. This is where T2 had her wedding. It's an amazing place, guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna